driving kick. Picked up the 11. That's number 2. Lindstrom.
Nice.
Screen pass completed nicely for Garden Valley. They got the first down. It's going deep. Just a little bit out of the outside. The other side. Lindstrom.
He lost it. He couldn't even see it.
Garden Valley tries this. Ball was near. Beautiful pass, floated over the middle. He's going to go all the way. Pass. That's Mahan Keegan to number 34. 12 gauge Peterson. He picks the ball up at the 5, finds a little bit of seam in the middle, but not too much. He's going to be dropped at about the 20. Wolverines on the opposite. We got it right now. Garden Valley looks to pass. Passes.
No bueno.
Yeah.
Oh,
Blocked.
go Jet!
Fumble.
Stolen!
So we'll see what our Wolverines can do with a new set of downs. I bet you can read the number. That's 50. Man scores another for a very rare one-point kick point after try. And it was a little bit off to the left. It helped out there. Different kicker. Different receiver. That's number 3 for Garden Valley.
Oh no. He caught it.
Didn't. And he could go all the way. He will, untouched into the end zone. That's not foot. The number 34. That one's picked up by the... Passes picked off by number 5. Option play falls apart for the Wolves. Oh, beautiful one-arm catch! And he breaks.
Oh.
Screen pass, falls.
Struck really on the bottom of the leg.
Another beautiful.
I think we stopped him.
Number. He tries that same play over to the left. A little bit of a bobble. And it. Number 3, the Sandman put a. Oh, passes intercepted.
Okay, it's gonna get stolen again. I see flags.
That's number 2 for.
I don't think they know what they were doing. Holy crap, he runs fast.
He could go all the way, and he does. That's another touchdown. Peterson picks up the ball at the 5, makes a move, makes a man miss, spins around, and gets. Nice run.
Oh my goodness.
Passes intercepted. And boy, is he a bolt of lightning.
Good job, Ryan.
That's number 5.
This ball fell down.
Nice boot, fielded cleanly by Garden Valley.
Nice play.
That's the rocket, and he's got round! He could go all the way instead of 40 to the 30. He's outrunning everybody! Touch! Garden Valley's sweep kick in! It's still on the ground. I think they got it.
Oh my gosh.
The screen. Ball is down in the number 7 for the Lumberjack.
That looks pretty good.
Trickery! Oh! Trickery!
Obviously, we did something to cause it.
Nice, complete. Passes. That run was a thing of. You know the drill, 13-34. Rocket picks it up. Thought maybe for a... Nobody there for the Wolverine. That pass. He could go all the way, and he does. Manger squibs one on the ground there. Picked up by the Sandman.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Well, I'll tell you what. Squib kick, but Council figured. He did a little. See. Garden Valley 34, 12 gauge. Peterson. Beautiful booming punt. Peterson calls for the fair catch. Daryl. Ball is loose. Nice. Defensive play coming up here. And 4th and 6. So still sets up for the field goal. Somebody got a hand on that one, and it.
I just want to.
Play blown. First and goal from the 6. Oh, nice.
Bill.
Is it time?
That Council player cut. Council's going to try for the field goal attempt. And it's going to go wide. Pass. Sanders kicks one to the 35-yard line. It's grabbed by number 7, and he barely drug down there. Number 5.
Just as soon as this play's over, I'm going to give you a piece of advice.
I'd rather snip that play.
Is Caleb your brother or your cousin?
He is my cousin.
Cousin Caleb. It was a good show. It's funny. Gordon show, man.
Beautiful punt. Drives Peterson back to the 10. He muffs the ball, and it's up for grabs, ladies and gentlemen. Council's pointed to...
No.
Friend.
Yep.
Does she do volleyball?
Yeah, she's my
Garden Valley shuts the sweep down.
Orange kids. Okay.
oh yeah.
They're good people.
Are you?
I don't know what the name of the road is. It's just past the Red Farm if you're coming from McCall. Jail. Yeah, I know exactly which one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Stopped and dropped. Good snap. Ball's down. He chips it right up. And that... Nice boot, but the ball dies. Trickery, which I love. Trickery not working real well. Trickery working better. He steps out of bounds.
Jeez.
That's the rocket tiptoeing up. Winston back to pass, dumps off the screen. I think it's picked off.
Picked off.
I think it is.
Oh no.
That was the option play, and off to the races, and he's going to go in untouched. That's number. Council elects to kick for the point after. That's Lance Nichols, number 2. Boot is blocked. Blocked. Sandman picks that up, makes some nice yardage there. Pass, just... Lots of movement there. Screen pass successful. He could go all the way. He's to the 30. Thought about it for a minute. Got it. Thought about it. Going for all the marbles. Screen pass to Sanders is ain't the field goal lineup though.
Oh shoot.
Lindstrom loses the ball. What a great play by that was a nice catch there. That pass.
Now that's a lot. That right there. The whole world here.
Wow! Ball's on the ground, but Council comes back up with high, booming kick. I almost lost that. Oh, Peterson touches it. Live ball, bad mistake for Garden Valley. They finally do stop the play. A little bit of a Council takes a knee, and that'll be their victory formation, ladies and gentlemen. Giving all their love to the kids from both sides. Appreciate Council for coming here and playing us. Council members, drive home safe. Garden Valley people, drive home safe too. That is the end of the game, and we'll see you next week.